My name is Leo, and this is an amazing reptile I have never seen before. Okay, this is the tree frog. I'll show ya. This is the tree frog. Isn't he amazing? I think Green. Want to see him again?
Yes. Do you want to put him in your home?
I'd love to. I just want to do some facts and then I'll do it.
Okay.
These legs are long, long, long. So they can jump very far. I'm not sure. I want to see him again. One more time.
Okay. Oh, squeezing him. Put him down. Let's put him in his house.
And bye. Have a good day when another day.
Oh, that'll make him happy.
That will make him very happy.
Nice. Have a nice day, Leapy.
Bye, Leapy.
Wave to the camera.
Bye, Leapy.